Kung health insurance yung concern mo ngayon, malamang you're considering to get a critical illness coverage. Ang good news with AIA, yan yung focus namin. We're not really focusing much on investments or in VUL, although we have those types of products. Si AIA is one of the leading companies and institutions in the health space simply because ang mission nga ng company is really healthier, longer, better lives for the whole world, no? Yung different countries naman, we're present in 18 countries yung AIA, no? Isa lang yan dito sa Philippines. So now, let's compare and let's see which critical illness plan fits you best kung ito yung hinahanap mo. Kasi si AIA merong dalawang very good and sulit na critical illness plan. Si AIA Critical Protect 100 or ACP 100 and si AIA Critical Protect Plus or ACP Plus. So unahin natin yung mas basic or mas simple, si ACP 100. Right? Single claim, comprehensive, tapos siya yung mas affordable. It covers you already up to age 100. 100 critical illnesses, tapos up to age 100 ka covered. Ayan, nakalagay dyan. Tapos, nag-a-advance siya ng 25% in case minor critical illness yung claim. Pwede kang maglagay optional ng gender-specific cancer coverage, additional coverage siya. For example, in case, let's say, breast cancer pag sa babae or prostate cancer para sa lalaki. And then, it converts to life insurance. Ang maganda rito, kaya siya mura, either or lang siya, life or health lang or critical illness lang. Pag never kang nagkasakit, nagiging life insurance siya. So, walang tapon na product. Tapos, natatapos siya bayaran, 10 or 20 years to pay lang. 'Di ba? 100% lump sum payout kapag meron kang claim. Ganun yung nangyayari. So, payout niya na, tapos na, hindi ka na magbabayad, terminated na yung plan. Now, this year, AIA launched something new, or we can say it better, mas pinaganda niya, si ACP Plus. Of course, mas mahal to ng konti. 'Di ba? So, tingnan natin kung ito yung pasok sa'yo. Up to 3 times kang pwedeng mag-claim for different critical illness groups. Pag cancer, pwedeng mag-claim twice. Ayan. May ICU benefit na you can claim up to 2 times. Na pag na-ICU more than 5 days, makaka-claim ka ng lump sum amount. Twice mo yan pwedeng ma-claim hanggang age 85. May emerging condition benefit para sa, let's say, mga benign tumor na kailangan ng surgery. Tapos may waiver of premium. Pagka-claim ng first critical illness, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng mga future premiums mo kung 10 years to pay yan, 20 years to pay, or pay up to age 65 for this plan. Hindi mo ka na magbabayad ng future premiums kapag may major critical illness claim. Kapag minor pa lang, magtutuloy ka pa rin ng payment. Alright? Pwede maglagay ng gender-specific cancer benefit. Optional yan. Diba? And then, may death benefit siya na 20% ng face amount, kunyari 1 million ng face amount mo or coverage, may 200,000 pang makukuha yung beneficiaries mo kahit may claim ka na ng critical illness in case of death. 'Di ba? And then, ayan, nag-a-advance nga ng 25% for a minor critical illness diagnosis. 'Di ba? So again, for a 1 million coverage sa AIA Critical Protect, up to 1 million yung makukuha mo, or kung lalagyan mo ng gender-specific cancer benefit, additional 500,000 or 50% ng coverage. So, up to 1.5 million. For AIA Critical Protect Plus or the ACP Plus, up to 3.55 million yung potential coverage kasi nga 3 times nung 1 million kung 1 million yung coverage mo, and then other riders pa, no, na maybe we can discuss. Ito nga, ayan, naka-itemize dyan. No, for further discussion, we can talk about it. No, so if you look at this na comparison, ayan. So for both plans, coverage until age 100, pareho naman sila. Merong kang minor critical illness benefit for both. Now, yung multiple claims for major critical illness, up to 3 times potentially sa ACP Plus. Of course, may mga rules lang yan. No, different subgroups, may dapat more than 1 year, ganyan. No, and then pag sa ACP 100 wala, no. And then emerging condition benefit, wala dito, mayroon na doon, syempre in-improve natin, 'di ba? So ICU benefit up to 2 times claim pag sa ACP Plus. Tapos may waiver of premium meron sa ACP Plus, sa ACP 100, wala. Pero hindi mo na kasi kailangan dahil nga terminated na yung plano. So in fairness to ACP 100, ganun naman siya. Hindi na talaga siya kailangan. Ayan. Tapos sa death benefit, it only converts to life insurance pag wala kang claim. Dito, kahit may claim ka na, may 20% ka pa rin na payout. No? So kung hindi ka pa nakakatatlong claim. Up to 3 times na claim, terminated na rin yung plan. So wala nang death benefit. Maximum of 300% ng face amount. Then, gender-specific cancer benefit, pwede kang maglagay. So, kung ikaw yung papipiliin, no, you leave in the comment section your answer or your choice. Which one is better for you? ACP 100, mas mura, mas simple, mas affordable, comprehensive din naman siya. Or a more comprehensive plan na ACP Plus para may peace of mind ka kahit mas mahal lang ko. This is about 30 to 40% higher yung premium ng ACP Plus sa ACP 100 with the same face amount. Pero mas marami kang potential claim in the future, mas comprehensive siya. So probably, you're paying for peace of mind. Dito naman, simple, mas tipid, ganyan, maybe a starter plan for you. So which one is better for you? Tell me. Kasi ako, hindi ko masabi kasi it depends to the person, 'di ba? Of course, kung may budget, maybe dito na tayo, but depende sa tao. So I wanna know. Maybe I'm also doing my research. So gusto kong malaman alin ba ang masasabi ng karamihan, which one is better, ACP 100 or ACP Plus? Let us know in the comment section. And if you're interested to have a quotation and have me help you be protected for critical illness coverages, send me a message. No, I'll be willing to help you. So, see you again soon sa mga future videos ko.